Hey, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to get Bing AI Image Generator and generate some truly incredible, high-quality images using Bing's AI Image Generator. Whether you're an artist, a designer, or just someone who enjoys playing around with AI-generated content, this tool is perfect for you. So stick around, because I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started and create your own amazing images. So, let's get started. First things first, let's get to the Bing AI Image Generator. The easiest way to do that is to simply open your browser on your PC and type Bing AI Image Generator into your browser search bar. Once you type it, hit the Enter button. And then, from the results, it should be the first result you see, called Image Creator from Microsoft Bing. Just click that, and it'll take you straight to the site. Before you can start creating images, you'll need to log in with your Microsoft or Outlook account. If you don't have one, it's easy to sign up, it's free and only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you're all set to begin using the image generator. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard of the Bing AI Image Generator. Here, you'll notice a prompt input box at the top where you can type in any description or idea for the image you want to generate. Below that, there's an Explore Ideas section where you can see examples of images others have generated, along with the exact prompts they used. This is a great way to get inspiration or learn how to craft your own prompts. So let's jump right into it. I'm going to create an image by typing in a prompt. I'm feeling a little creative, so let's go with a man standing on a boat looking at the sunset. You can really use your imagination with these prompts, and the more specific and detailed you are, the more unique your image will be. Once you type it, hit the Enter. Bing will begin generating 4 images based on your prompt. And the great thing is, Bing's AI is very advanced, allowing you to create high-quality, artistic images even from complex prompts. Now, let's give it a second. As you can see, the tool has generated 4 images for me. And I have to say, these images look absolutely incredible. You can click on any of them to take a closer look. I'm loving this one, so I'm going to select it. You'll notice that each image is quite detailed and vibrant. You can save any image by clicking on the Save option. And you can download any image you like just by clicking on the Download option. When you click on the download, the image will be saved directly to your computer. You can open it by clicking on it. Here's mine. And you can see, it looks fantastic. Now, one thing to keep in mind. You have 100 credits per week to generate images. Each time you generate an image, it uses up 1 credit. Once you run out of credits, the generation time may increase, but don't worry, your credits automatically replenish every week. All of your previously generated images are stored in the Recent Images section. It's a handy feature if you want to revisit or download something you've created before. As you can see here, I've had some fun with my prompts. For example, I once generated an image of 7 people riding a time motorbike while carrying their weekly shopping. And, yeah, it's as crazy as it sounds. That's one of the cool things about this AI generator. You can get super creative with it and make some really fun and wacky images. I want to ask you anything. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles. You can ask for things like, in the style of a watercolor painting, or, in a futuristic cyberpunk setting. The AI is pretty versatile when it comes to understanding these kinds of requests. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. And I will see you in the next video.